Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video we're going to talk about this new sunblock. So this is from Biore. In case if you don't know, they are very famous for their sunscreen and then their skincare as well. They also have a really nice makeup remover. So in today's video we're going to talk about one of their most recent product, which is their Biore UV Watery Essence Aqua. So this is how it looks like, and this is the packaging. Like, it was glued together previously. So actually I know you guys might have seen this somewhere in a drugstore and anywhere online, and I know you guys were like, oh, this is nothing new. Like, it was there for a long time already, but actually this is a new ingredient, this is the new technology, and this is a new and improved version of what you guys always see in the drugstore and over the internet. So without further ado, we're just gonna talk about it. We're gonna have a little first impression, and then we're gonna see how it performs on the skin and how it feels like, the texture and everything. I honestly have never tried this personally, but the reason why I'm very interested in buying right now is because it's very popular. Everyone is talking about it, and I believe that maybe I should give it a try because this is actually cheaper than my usual sunblock. So that's why I thought maybe I should give it a try, and you know, maybe it's good. So sorry. So most of the people that actually try this, they have oily skin. So I have oily skin as well. So I thought this is interesting that maybe it can actually work on my skin type. Before we jump into the tryout, let me just explain to you what's the difference between this and the older one. So I don't have the older one, but you guys can have a look at the pictures online, and I'm sure you guys have seen it in the drugstore before as well. So the difference is that the packaging may look the same. It's like a blue gradient, and then there's a Biore and UV. It's the same basically, but then the one of the side of the old one is that they don't have this tags of an Aqua. Not sure if you guys can see. So yeah, they don't have this kind of tags, and if I'm not mistaken, the Aqua is a text over here. So it's over here. Okay, but now this is replaced with Watery Essence, and then like an SPF 50 plus, PA plus 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 plus. So I actually don't really know like what is the difference, like what makes it PA plus plus, what does that mean? Okay, but when I see plus, I'm like, okay, that's good. All right, so okay, let me just explain to you guys what's the difference between this and the older version. So the older version, it does protect the skin well. It does have like a very good protection for the skin from the UV, but then the new improved one, they have this thing called micro UV defense formula, which it actually helps to deeply penetrate into the even smallest folds of your skin. So if the folds or any pores, it can deeply penetrate into that as well. So that means you are fully taken care of with this new micro UV defense formula. I know you guys, I sound a little bit like commercial-ish, but I'm not. I'm just doing my research, and I thought, wow, that's amazing. Like because they show like the diagram before and after. So the older version, actually it covers well because they have like this like a cell, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a particle, and it covers the skin and protects it from the UV as well. But but I can see that there are some areas that is not covered, and those are the areas that is like very hard to reach. You know, when you let's just say you wanted to apply your foundation or your concealer, and then sometimes these tiny folds like over here behind your nose, or maybe you have a little fold under your eye, or maybe over here, so that is a little bit hard to reach when you use like a bigger brush. So that is why you use like a smaller brush or a sharp sponge, so that it can reach all these small folds. So that is exactly how the new version works. So yeah, this is very interesting, and the reason why I'm very interested in this is because it says water-like sensation. So as you guys know, I'm actually a big fan of water-based skincare, so that's why I have always been looking out for water-based skincare, because I don't want to get my pores bigger. If you guys watch my previous video, the type of skincare that you use can actually affect your skin. Like for example, yes, you wear a skincare, you wear a sunscreen, but then if it is oil based and you have an oily skin, then it's gonna make your pores bigger, and you can have like more whiteheads or blackheads, and it can even cause acne, you know, in the long run. So that is why I love water-based skincare, especially for sunscreen. Okay, so without further ado, let's just open this up and we'll have a try. Alright, okay, so I have prepped my skin with the toner, with the serum, the cream and everything, just no sunscreen at all. So so let's just open this up and just try it. I'll show you guys how the texture looks like. I can't really smell from the bottle. We'll just squeeze out a little bit. Okay, so it's like a greenish color. If you guys can see, it's like a greenish color, and it smells kind of like aloe. It smells so fresh and very mild. I'm not sure if it's because of the new formula or it has always been smells this mild. So we're gonna try it. Wow, it is very watery, you guys, and it's cooling. It's almost as if there's like a mint inside this, so which is so awesome. Yeah, remember to tap on your eye area. I always go into eye area whenever I apply sunscreen, because I just want it to cover everything, and usually by the end of the day I will clean it up with the oil cleanser just to make sure that my eye area is also cleansed well. So yeah, even though actually this kind of product doesn't need oil cleanser, because this is water-based product. Unless if you're using oil-based product, then you need to have a oil cleanser to clean it up. So that is one of the reasons why I don't really like oil-based products. Okay, I see it from the screen, like it doesn't give me any white cast or anything, and it also doesn't improve my complexion. I mean in a way that it doesn't brighten my skin instantly or something like that, because I have tried that kind of sunscreen before, the one that the moment you apply it gives like a whitish tint on your skin. So it doesn't do that, which is so amazing. I always like it to be just transparent, honestly. Yeah, so because sometimes I feel like I look like a ghost when I put on that kind of white tint-ish sunscreen. So yeah, I'm gonna try on the other side. Make sure that you apply on even the smallest fold of your skin as well, you know, so that the micro defense stuff works so well. Alright, so far I feel it's not sticky at all. It feels like I am applying aloe vera gel. I'm not sure, maybe this one has an aloe vera in it. Alright, so I guess we're done here. Yeah, this is how it looks like, and it doesn't give me like that kind of super greasy feel, but I do notice there's a little bit of shine, which is absolutely fine, because again, this is a gel type kind of, it's like a gel to lotion kind of texture, so it's not like pure gel, but it has a little bit of lotion-y feel to it. So I love this so much. I need to see how it performs on my skin. I need to see if this is suitable for my skin actually, like if it's actually making me break out or anything like that. So I usually give it about 3 days to see if it actually breaks me out or not. And yeah, this is so awesome. My first impression of this product is awesome. It's perfect. I feel like I'm going to switch this. If it doesn't break me, I'm totally gonna switch this. This is like much cheaper and it has better value, it has better quality, and it's much easier to find as well. So yeah, I love it, you guys. So let me know how you guys feel about this product, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.